So I thought I should point this out. When a friend of ours had a marang fall out of the tree and hit his bare chest, he noticed that he developed quite a rash and thought perhaps there was a toxic resin on the little tiny filament like, how do you even say, kind of like hairs, but obviously they're not like hairs, they're more like clubs with spikes sticking out of them. I didn't discover this until we looked at it under a microscope that in fact on the Artocarpus marang that there are very, very tiny spikes and perhaps even an associated resin that causes an irritation. So when you handle these things, you want to be careful of sensitive skin because these tiny little spikes will cut you up pretty good, and they're barely discernible to the naked eye. If you've got incredible eyesight, you might be able to notice them up close. My friend Freddie thought he could see something like that on them, but when I put it under the microscope, we saw for sure that, yep, they are covered in little tiny spikes, and as far as I know, it's the only Artocarpus that does that. If you know any more, I'd love to hear about it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I thought you might want to know about this little piece of scientific discovery. Thanks.